Welcome back. In this video, we are going to understand why precedence and associativity is needed in our programming languages. Previous classes, we discussed about many of the operators, assignment operators, arithmetic operators, logical operators like that. So now, if you want to use those operators, this precedence and associativity concept is needed. What is this concept? Why it is needed? That is what we are going to understand with an example. Let's take an example. A is equal to 5, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 2. Suppose if you are writing an expression A plus B multiplied by C. See, when you write this expression, some people, they are going to evaluate those expression in this way. First, they will do B multiplied by C. 3 to 6. 6 added to A, 6 plus 5, 11. So their expression output is 11. Some students, they are going to evaluate like this. First they will do A plus B, 5 plus 3, 8. 8 multiplied by 2, 16. See, same expression, different students got different outputs. This is not going to happen. Everyone should follow the same set of rules. Everyone has to evaluate in the same way. That is what this precedence and associativity is going to provide. Let's try to understand what is precedence, what is associativity. Suppose, assume that multiplication and division is having a precedence of 15. Precedence means priority. So which one is having highest priority? Multiplication and division symbol is having a precedence of 15. And addition and minus symbol is having a precedence of 14. So in this expression, A plus B multiplied by C, multiplication is having the highest precedence, means highest priority. First multiplication should happen. So this expression is evaluated, first multiplication is going to happen. 3 to 6. Then addition is going to happen. 6 plus 5, 11. This is what precedence means, priority. Each operator symbol is going to provide you a priority value. We are going to discuss about the complete priority chart, precedence chart in our next class. You understand what precedence and associativity means. Hope you got clarity on precedence. Precedence means priority. According to priority, we give. First evaluation is done. Now coming to the associative property, it's not property, associative conditions. Suppose, let's take this example, A plus B multiplied by C divided by A. See here, in this expression, multiplication and division is having the same priority, same precedence. Both are having precedence 15. Then which one has to evaluate first? If both the symbols are having same precedence, then check the associative condition, associativity conditions. Associativity says about if they are having the same precedence, in which direction we have to evaluate, from left to right or right to left. So multiplication and division is going to evaluate left to right. Plus and minus are going to be evaluated left to right. Some operators, they will go right to left. In this example, both are going in left to right. So whenever you have both same symbols, you have to evaluate left to right. Means A plus B multiplied by C. First, this is going to happen. B multiplied by C means 3 to 6. So A plus 6 divided by A. So which one is going to happen? 6 divided by A. Divided by is having highest precedence when compared with plus. 6 by A means 5. 6 by 5 means 1 point something. A plus 5 plus 1 point something. That is what you are going to get. Hope you got good clarity about what is meant by precedence, what is meant by associativity, how things are evaluated, expressions are going to be evaluated. We are going to do multiple examples and a quiz, separate quiz is placed on this. By doing that quiz, you will get good clarity, you will get confidence that is needed in placements. Have a great learning.